am Zokar, the principal of Barz Kindergarten. I would like to extend my congratulations to our little graduates. We were very happy to have you in our classes this year. It was a pleasure to witness you growing, playing and learning. Now you're ready to be grade 1. We wish to see you all next year. To my teachers, thank you so much for your guidance and support, and to the parents, thank you for your trust in us. And to our little graduates, we wish you all the success. Keep shining bright. Thank you.
Today I'm honored to say I'm proud of your many achievements over these 2 years. Your sweet memories will remain forever in our hearts.
Happy graduation. سلااو دایکە باوکانی بەڕێز من مامۆستا ژاڵە مامۆستای بابەتی میوزیک و سپۆرتم زۆر سوپاسە بۆ متمانەبوونتان کەوا پۆپولە چاوگەشەکانتان بە ئێمە سپار زۆر سوپاسە بۆ هەمووتان هیوای سەرکەوتن بۆ منداڵەکانتان دەخوازین.
Kindergarten memories will forever be in our hearts. You are the leaders of tomorrow. Keep shining, wishing you a bright and beautiful future.
KG2D, I am so proud of you. This year you learn how to read, write, count and share.
Now you are ready to shine in grade 1.
It's time to say goodbye, but remember, the fun and learning we shared will stay with us forever. I will never forget how amazing you are. Thank you.
Being a teacher is a difficult and enjoyable task. It's difficult because you will be with them from the beginning when they learn writing. You will be a mother, a doctor, a ruler among them. It's enjoyable because you will be a part of their lives, gain their trust and love. Congratulations on their graduation.
مامۆستای کوردی لە باخچەی منداڵانی بارز. خۆم بە خۆشحاڵ دەزانم کە ئەم ساڵ لەگەڵ ئەم قوتابیە جوانان نەبووم لەم ڕۆژە تایبەتەدا گەرمترین پیرۆزبای ئاڕاستی قوتابیان دەکەم. هیوادارم ئەو ڕێگەی کە ماویانە ڕێگەی بەدیهێنانی ئاواتەکانیان بێتن و خەونە جوانەکانیان بێتە دی سەرکەوتوو بن.
Congratulations to our lovely students, wishing you the very best and may you all have a bright future ahead.